So you run a pool cleaning business, right? You know it's hands-on work. But what happens when your hands are full of nets and chemicals and your phone just keeps ringing with new clients? Well, today we're going to talk about how a simple piece of tech, artificial intelligence, can be your secret weapon, making sure you never miss a client call ever again. I mean, just think about it for a second. In an industry like yours, where your reputation for being reliable is everything, what's the real cost of just one missed call? It's not just a missed appointment. It's a potential new client, a job that gets delayed, and probably a frustrated person who's already dialing up your competitor. And yeah, this slide pretty much says it all, doesn't it? It's that daily balancing act. One minute you're poolside dealing with a pump that decided to quit, or just trying to get that water crystal clear. The next, your phone is lighting up with calls from people who want to give you money. You literally can't be in two places at once. And let's be real, relying on voicemail is a huge gamble, one that most customers just aren't willing to take. So, what's the fix for this constant struggle? The answer is something called an AI voice agent. Now, I know what you might be thinking, ugh, AI, that sounds complicated and expensive. But trust me, it's a surprisingly practical tool that can basically act as your perfect receptionist. Let's break down exactly how this thing works. Okay, first things first, we are not talking about those clunky, robotic phone bots that make you want to scream into the phone. Modern AI voice agents are incredibly smart, responsive systems. They're designed to have natural, human-like conversations that are actually helpful to your customers. So, how does the magic actually happen? Well, first, it uses this thing called natural language processing to understand how real people talk. So when a customer says, "Hey, I need my pool cleaned before my party on Saturday," the AI totally gets it. Second, it plugs right into your calendar and your customer list so it can check your availability in real time and book that appointment on the spot. And third, it's smart enough to know when it's in over its head. If a call gets too complicated or a customer is really upset, it seamlessly passes the call right over to a real person. And the key thing to get here is that AI isn't trying to replace the human touch. It's here to support it. A great human receptionist is amazing for empathy and solving complex problems, but they're stuck with 9 to 5 hours and can only handle one call at a time. An AI receptionist, on the other hand, is on the job 24/7, can handle dozens of calls at once, and make sure that great customer experience never drops off, even when your whole team is busy poolside. All right, so that's the how, but let's get to the why. Why should you actually care? Let's talk about the real-world benefits this brings to your pool business every single day. First up, booking becomes completely effortless. Just imagine this. A customer can call at 10 p.m. on a Sunday night, find a time that works for them, and schedule a cleaning for next week, all without ever having to talk to a person. The system manages your calendar and even sends out automated reminders, which, drastically cuts down on those frustrating no-shows. You can just say goodbye to that endless game of phone tag. Second, you get a massive boost in efficiency. I mean, how much of your day is spent answering the exact same questions over and over? How much for weekly service? What kind of chemicals do you use? The AI handles all of those routine questions instantly. This frees up your skilled techs to focus on what they do best, providing amazing, top-quality pool service. And third, it basically becomes your 24/7 lead capture machine. When a potential new client calls, the AI gets all their key info: name, address, what kind of pool they have, what service they need. It qualifies the lead for you, making sure that no new business opportunity ever slips through the cracks again, whether it's day or night. And hey, don't just take my word for it. Listen to what Jane Doe, a lead pool cleaner, had to say. She points out both sides of it. Customers love how easy it is to book, and her staff is way less overwhelmed by the phones. That combo, it leads directly to higher satisfaction all around. And here's another one, this time from a business owner, John Smith. For him, it all comes down to focus. The AI handles all that administrative heavy lifting, which frees up his team to concentrate on the core service that actually makes money and builds their great reputation. Okay, so by now, you're probably seeing the potential here, right? But hold on, because not all AI systems are created equal, especially for a hands-on business like yours. Let's quickly go over the essential features you absolutely have to look for when you're choosing an AI partner. Here's your checklist. First, you need 24/7 coverage. No exceptions. Your next big client might call at midnight. Second, seamless integration. This is non-negotiable. It has to work perfectly with the calendar and client software you're already using. Third, it has to be a professional reflection of your brand, with a custom voice and tone so it actually sounds like your company. Fourth, make sure it can actually qualify leads, not just take messages. And finally, you have to insist on top-notch data security. Your client's information is everything.
All right, let's bring it all home. After all the tech and all the benefits, what does this truly mean for the health and growth of your business? What is the real bottom line impact?
When you look at the results, it really all boils down to these three massive wins. By capturing every single call and making booking a breeze, you directly increase your number of jobs. By automating all those routine tasks, you seriously reduce your admin costs. And by providing instant, reliable service, you dramatically improve customer satisfaction and, more importantly, customer loyalty. You know, at the end of the day, an AI voice agent isn't just a piece of software. For a hands-on service business, it is literally the extra set of hands you've always wished you had, one that never gets tired, never takes a day off, and is always ready to help your business grow. So I'll just leave you with this one last crucial question to think about. As you're listening to this right now, how many potential new clients are just sitting in your voicemail box, getting ready to give up and call someone else?